Welcome back, guys, to our Bonding and Molecular Structure unit. We are on day 6 of C.3.4. Today we're looking at acid nomenclature. So Bronsted-Lowry acids are compounds that produce free hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Traditionally, the formulas for these compounds start with the element hydrogen. So you know you have an acid when you have an H and then something else that comes after it. If the acid contains no oxygen, then the acid is named with the prefix hydro. So if oxygen's not there, the prefix is hydro. For the root of the non-hydrogen element, followed by the suffix-ich acid. For instance, none of these have oxygen in them. So they all start with hydro and end in -ic acid. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrobromic acid. Hydrofluoric acid. Hydroiodic acid. 2. If oxygen is present in the acid, then the suffix depends on the suffix of the anion name. The prefix hydro is not used. For instance, if the anionic suffix is -ate, then it will end in -ic acid. If the anion suffix is -ite, then it will be -us acid. As in BIT Metal Nomenclature, classically called stock convention, the suffix -ich is added to the root of the cation name for the higher charge and the -us for the lower charge. For instance, there are so many examples we can look at. Here's the formula, the acid, and the ion. If you've noticed, I have underlined and bolded so that you can tell if it's a higher version or lower version of the cation, okay? Perchloric acid has the perchlorate ion. Bromic acid has the bromate ion. Iodous acid has the iodite. See the ite and the us, ate and ich. Us and ite, us and ite. Ich and ate, ich and ate, okay? Iodous acid is the iodite ion. Hypochlorous acid is hypochlorite ion. Acetic acid is acetate ion. Sulfuric acid, sulfate ion. Sulfurous acid, sulfite ion. Nitric acid, nitrate ion. Carbonic acid, carbonate ion. Phosphoric acid, phosphate ion. Oxalic acid, oxalate ion. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here and we are going to write the formulas for these 4 formula words or formula names, and then we're going to write the 4 formula names for these 4 formula compounds, okay? Thank you guys, you did a great job. Alright, now we're going to do the acid name and formula worksheets. Remember, Chem-is-try, and you guys are chemists. You're doing a great job.